Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Tara with Mayhem Crafty Cards, and I thought I'd share a little haul with you guys today. So I know on Fridays I usually do my company spotlight, but I'm going to be doing something a little bit different on Monday, and it is going to be like a collaboration of all the companies that I've done and new products that I've purchased from them. Also, I finally got my nails filled. So much better. So the first thing I'm going to share is this paper mat, and I got this from the Rabbit Hole Designs, and this is an 11 by 17 paper mat. I really like this, especially if I'm ink blending. It just kind of like saves me from having to pick up another mat to ink blend on. But yeah, so this was my first purchase, and then Halloween is my jam. I love Halloween. Halloween's one of my favorite times of year. So I picked up their new release from the Rabbit Hole along with the coordinating dies. So the first one we have is Country Witch, and she is adorable. Now I have made a card, and I will show you guys right after I'm done showing you these. This one is Bicycle Witch. So you have Brooms Are for Amateurs, Salem Bicycle Society, and then you have this cute witch on her bike. The next one is Cocktail Witch. Now, I have most of these pieces cut out already to make my cards with. So I'm going to show you. So this one is just a wee bit wicked, Drink Up Witches. And then we have Spellcaster Witch. And I love this because it comes with so many different elements. So you have Witch's Brew, Hocus Pocus, Spellbound, Will Cast Spells for Candy, Good Friends Are Great, Best Friends Are Wicked, and then you have all these little elements where you can build a scene with this set. So then we have the Things a Witch Might Say sentiments. So you have Good Friends Are Like Witches, Wickedly Fun and Highly Spirited, I'm Sorry I Was a Witch, Can We Sweep It Under the Rug, Wicked Never Looks So Good, Every Day With You is a Treat, Real Witches Have Curves, In a World Full of Wicked Witches, You're Glinda, You Had the Power All Along, My Dear, Abracadabra, Houses Fall, Monkeys Fly, Life Happens, then you have a little broom, and then Happy Birthday to My Fly or Die. So these can coordinate very well with this stamp set. And I do have all the coordinating dies that come along with them. Normally I don't pick up the dies, but I thought it would be a lot easier to use the dies than try to mess with my scan and cut, because it's been not so friendly lately. It's been cutting my images up. And then I got what has now been named the Bunny Bowl. So as you can see, all my little pieces here I've cut out. So I love this. This has saved me so many times, especially for like little pieces like this guy, or like the little feather, you know, just the small pieces that I tend to lose, along with my embellishments. My sparkle blends, fantastic. So I will make sure I link everything down below, and in case you have not been following me on social media, I am now a part of the Rabbit Hole Designs design team. I cannot wait. I wish you guys could see how excited I am to be a part of this team. There are so many talented designers on this team, and I am very blessed to be a part of it. So we have that. Let me show you guys my card. So this is the card that I made today, and I did use the Boo Y'all, the Country Witch, and I really wanted to make her country. So I paper pieced, let me see if I can get this to focus. Focus. Okay, well, that might be as good as she gets. But I did paper piece her shirt. I just used some pattern paper, and then I colored her in using my Cara markers. So the sentiment is, never mind the witch, beware of the cat. So I placed the cat on her hat and just added some little, you know, different little bushes in there. I did not decorate the inside just yet, but I'm going to. So yeah, I'm having a blast with this set and cannot wait to make more cards with the rest of these. So let's go on to Sparkle Blends. Now I was going to try to save these for my next video, but some of these are Christmas, and if you know, Sparkle Blends, they're custom mixes. Like once they're gone, like that's it, they're gone. So I have Extraterrestrial, and I'm just going to open them up for you guys. So this has some glow in the dark stars, some really cool little funky pieces, little alien heads. Like as you can see, they're all different types of colors, and it's fantastic. I wish my camera would focus. Then we have Oh Christmas Tree. So this is one of the Christmas ones, and as you can see, like there's little Christmas trees in there. And if my camera, hopefully you guys can see, but then there's these big Christmas trees in here. So you have the little ones that are clay, and then you have these big ones that you can, you know, mix in with your cards. We have Merriment. And this is fun because it's got all the little, you know, peppermint candies. It's a fun, colorful mix. So that was Merriment. Then we have Happy Little Flurries. Or, yeah. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that's... Oh. And I just put these in these cases. They come in little bags. But this one's got these little clouds with faces. They have... Let me see if I can move this white paper. If I move this, maybe it will focus a little bit better for me. No? Okay, well, it's got these little clouds with little faces. You got some snowflakes. It's a fun wintry mix. And then here is a little... Now I won't be able to pick her up. It's just a little snowflake. Let me grab my jewel picker here, because I don't want to lose any of these. So that was Happy Little Flurries. And then we have Old Saint Nick. Now this one was super cute because it actually has like little Santa Claus pieces in them. And it's because I have nails that I can't open these. So you have all these colorful red pieces in here. You have red. I mean, this is a really pretty, like, cherry red. So you have this little Santa right here. I shouldn't say little. He's pretty big. And then you have stars. You have, you know, pattern sequins. It's just a really, really fun Christmas mix. So then we have Dragon Glass, and I love Dragon Glass. As you can tell, I'm a hoarder of my sequins. So for this one, I'll just try to dump this one out. So you get a lot of different shades, and it's like that oil slick. Some of them have like that oil slick to them. And then you have some matte ones, which are really nice to add. And then you have ones that are, you know, have, what is it, sparkles? Yeah, like glittery to them. So that's Dragon Glass. We have Storm Clouds. Now this is one of my favorite ones as well, because it looks like a nice stormy day, and they're so fun to add to my cards. So it's got some pinks, some blues, some purples, or no, not pinks, I'm sorry, some purples, some blues, some lavenders, so just a couple different shades of blue. And then the last one is Champagne Bubble. Is it Bubble? Yeah. I can't even read my own writing. How terrible is that? So this is like your more champagne-y mix. And this one's got a lot of cool elements to it. You have like the ones that have glitter on them. And then you have ones that are just, you know, this round gold. Such a pretty mix. So that was it for my haul for today. But like I said, on Monday I'm waiting for one more delivery, and then I can do my roundup of companies that I featured on my company spotlights. So I hope you guys have a fantastic weekend, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.